Alright, here is another plant. I call this one H09. As you can see, it is growing very nice and out, all, spayed out the way it is right now. Oh, and by the way, all of these plants are growing in, although, well, let's just say I also, one of the net pots that I grow these plants in are 4 inches in diameter. And if you're asking or wondering what kind of containers he's using and where can I get this container, if you look at the other videos, you would notice there's no standard container that I use. It just so happens that one of the products I consume comes in such a container that fits a 4-inch pot. So go through your stuff, see all your containers, and find one that fits a 4-inch pot. Now, how high can the nylon wick water? Is there a limit? If we look at the pot, okay, this is about, oh gosh, 9 inches tall. Now you may want to say, oh my gosh, if I use a 12-inch tall container, I can go on vacation for months. But that's not the case. I think one of the contributing factors that makes growing these things in these eternal pots, and I have one plant growing this way for, I have to say, 25 to 27 years with a capillary mat strip in place of the nylon twine or rope, whatever you want to call it. And its longevity is probably due to the fact that I refill the water. The water's never stagnant, and the water is never high enough that the plant is sitting, or the bottom of the pot is sitting in the water. If you have a monster reservoir and you don't fill it up every so often, once, twice a week at most, to aerate the water, I don't believe this system will work this well. So anyways, let's get back to this plant. It's doing pretty well. There are some pictures that did not open for some unknown reason. I am guessing it's because of humidity. All the plants that I grow are under LED lights, indoors, in an unheated room. Unfortunately, they don't have really good circulation, so they don't have the chilly nights or experience the seasons. It's just whatever the room temperature is. And there isn't a large window to let airflow in and out. In retrospect, not having a large window probably helped in keeping down the mildew that usually grows on these things, or the powdery mildew. So that may be a contributing factor. But there is a fan blowing, circulating the air. That's also a contributing factor. And of course, watering from the bottom is also a contributing factor. Now if I look at this plant, I can see it's doing well. All the pictures are nice and spaced accordingly. Looking into the middle, I do see a dry stem. So I'm going to go in here gently and remove it. See? Now, do I want to do anything with the pictures that didn't successfully open? No. It still functions as a leaf, photosynthesizing. Oh, and by the way, if you want to see what LED lights I use, there's a link in the comment. So this one is doing well. Nothing overcrowding. And I think I'm going to leave it as is. Nothing major happening. Okay. Let's feed this thing. Oh, wait. This picture is not positioned properly. So I am going to wiggle it around and make sure it grows properly. And this one should belong here. There we go. Oh, I take it back. If I remove this picture, I notice something's growing there that shouldn't be. So remove one. Do you see this? This picture right here? Let me see if I shine a light on it. There we go. This one. It's growing in a location where the picture right here is going to block it. So remove it. Alright, now we're done with this. And let's feed it and move on. So, this, and this. Top it off. Let me turn tables here. So get these two. Okay. And that's it. Oh. Let me see, is that it? Yeah, I'm happy. Are you guys happy with this one? Oh, by the way, some of you may be tempted, hey, you know, can I like squeeze the pictures open, force this lid to open? Don't bother. You'll probably tear the lid anyways, so it's not worth it. Leave it be. As long as it's not bothering you, don't bother it. There you go. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.